A warm, settled day can flip quickly when a cold front arrives, especially across southern Australia. The wind freshens, cloud thickens, rain may move in, and the temperature can drop fast enough for everyone to notice. A cold front is simply the leading edge of a cooler air mass replacing warmer air. Because cold air is denser, it wedges underneath the warm air ahead of it. That warm air is forced upward, where it cools, condenses, and can form cloud bands, showers, and sometimes thunderstorms. On a weather chart, a cold front is usually drawn as a blue line with triangles pointing in the direction it is moving. In Australia, many important cold fronts form over the Southern Ocean, sometimes with air linked to regions near Antarctica. They are commonly steered from west to east by the mid-latitude westerly winds and the polar front jet stream. That is why southwest Western Australia is often first in line, before systems push towards South Australia, Victoria, Tasmania, and southern New South Wales. The subtropical ridge also matters. When it sits further south or becomes stronger, it can change how far north fronts reach. Another climate driver, the southern annular mode, can shift the belt of westerly winds, so some periods bring more fronts to southern Australia, while others send the storm track further south. The weather ahead of a front is not always cool. A prefrontal trough can drag hot, dry inland air towards the southeast. That can lift temperatures, lower humidity, raise dust, and increase fire danger before the cool change has even arrived. Then the front itself passes. Winds often swing from northerly or northwesterly to westerly or southwesterly. Pressure falls and then rises, and the air suddenly feels different. Rain or squally showers may arrive with the change, especially when there is enough moisture and uplift. Behind the front, the colder air can remain unstable. That is why showers may keep popping up after the main rain band has moved through, particularly near the coast or over warmer ocean waters. New South Wales can also feel a special coastal version called a southerly buster. It is a fast-moving cool change that races up the coast, often bringing a sharp temperature drop and strong southerly winds, but not always much rain. To spot a front coming, watch three things: wind, pressure, and cloud. Pressure often falls before the front, winds freshen from the north or northwest, and satellite images may show a long curved cloud band stretching into southern Australia. After the front, look for broken cloud, clearer gaps, and trailing showers in the cooler air. Cold fronts are useful rainmakers, but they can also be hazardous. Strong gusts, rough seas, thunderstorms, and sudden fire weather wind shifts are all possible. On severe fire days, a wind change can turn the side of a fire into a new front, so official warnings matter. The key lesson is that a cold front is more than a line of rain. It is a moving boundary between air masses, and it can change temperature, wind, pressure, cloud, rain, and risk in just a short time.